We're going to be learning about pyrography using this wood burning tool from Hobbycraft.
We're going to go through what's inside the box and make some things with it.
So we're going to be making these simple plant labels using wooden spoons.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel.
And click the bell icon to be notified of new content.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it.
So here is the wood burning tool from Hobbycraft, which has everything you need to get started in pyrography. Inside the box you'll find the wood burning tool, 5 screw-on tips, the tool stand and some instructions. The screw-on tips have different points for different effects. So we've got a knife point, a solder point, a long point, a chisel point and a short point. There's also another smaller chisel point on the tool itself. So once you've attached your tip and plugged in the tool, it's a good idea to have a bit of a practice on a scrap piece of wood. We're using an old bed slat, but you could use anything you like as long as it's unvarnished. The tool takes about 10 minutes to heat up, and then it's obviously extremely hot, so take care not to touch the metal or change over the tip whilst it's still hot. Practicing with different shapes and strokes is a good way to familiarise yourself with the tool. Press down lightly onto the wood and move the tool slowly for a dark effect. Make sure you place the tool on the stand like this when you put it down. So to make some wooden spoon plant labels, start by lightly sketching out your design onto the back of the spoon in pencil. If the marks aren't dark enough, gently go back and forth over the area until you get a strong line. For shading, move over the area a little quicker, gradually filling in the space to get a lighter burn on the wood.
So there we have it, your introduction to pyrography.
For more ideas of how to use their craft kits, head to the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub.